Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School Life at Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my TEDx talk review, and my topic is why do, what do, and we do. By Tony Robbins, this TEDx talk goes far beyond the topic of success, money, or career. And instead, Tony Robbins explored one of the biggest questions about human nature: what truly drives our action, and why do we make the decisions we make. Every day we make hundreds of choices. We choose what to study, where to work, who to spend time with, and how we spend how we respond to challenge. Most of us believe that our decisions are based on logic, but Tony Robbins explained that our emotion, belief, and deepest need influence our behavior much more than we realize. One of the most powerful messages from this TEDx talk is that people are driven by emotions first and logic second. We often justify our decisions as logic reasons, but the real emotion motivation usually comes from our emotional needs. Whether we are seeking success, love, respect, security, or happiness, our emotions plays a major role in shaping our lives. Tony Robbins explained that every human being has fundamental emotion needs. Some people value certainty and security because they want stability in life. Others seek variety, adventure, and excitement because they enjoy new experiences. Some people are motivated by recognition and achievement, while others find meaning in love. Contribution and helping other understanding these needs help us understand not only ourselves but also the people around us. Another important lesson from this civic talk is that success is without fulfillment is one of the greatest failure. A person may have wealth, fame, or power but still feel unhappy if their emotional needs are not well-being. True happiness comes when we combine achievement with purpose, meaningful relationship, and personal growth. With watching this TEDx inspiring TEDx talk on the TED platform reminded me that real success is not just about reaching goals. It's about becoming a kind of person who lives with purpose and positively impact others. So personally, this talk made me reflect on my own life. It encourages me to ask important questions like, why do I want to achieve this goal, and what truly motivates me? Am I chasing success because of my own dream or because of other people's expectations? These questions are not always easy to answer, but they help us understand our life on a much deeper level. Another valuable lesson I learned is that our decisions shape our destiny. Every small choice we make today influences the future we create tomorrow. Or daily habits, attitude, or action, and are more powerful than essential moments of motivation. Tony Robbins also emphasizes the importance of growth and contribution. He believes that people are happiest when they continue learning, improve themselves, and making a positive difference in in the life of others. Life become more meaningful when our success beneath benefits not only ourselves but also our families, communities, and society. My biggest takeaway from this TEDx talk is that the quality of our life depend on the quality of the decision we make and the meaning we watch of those decisions. When we understand what truly drives us, we become more intentional, more focused, and more fulfilled. Because before I conclude, I want to leave you with one final thought. Take a few moments to ask yourself what truly motivates me, and what kind of life do I want to create, and what decision can I make today that will bring me one step closer to that life. Remember, your future is not built in one extraordinary moment, it is built through the ordinary choices you make every single day. Choose courage over fear, purpose our comfort, and growth our success our excuses. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.